I watch a lot of videos on YouTube, and I've noticed a lot of them do things that they would just be so much better if they cut out or changed. So today's video is going to be 5 ways to make better videos. The first way is to use a microphone. So my favorite kind of microphone is a Sennheiser lavalier microphone. These are wireless mics that you just clip onto yourself, and then they automatically sync the audio to your video. So now you can hear that this audio sounds so much better than if I do this. So I mean, do you really want to watch a 5 or 10 minute video when it sounds like this? Because I don't. Also with these wireless mics, you can stand really far away and it's still gonna capture it so well. So I could even be outside with these cars around and everything, but you can still hear me pretty well. This is also a really good microphone for voiceovers. It's actually what I use for all my voiceovers. It's a little bit annoying because you can't just have the footage go straight to your computer. You have to record it on your camera and then import it, but it sounds so good, doesn't it? It's really, I love this. I love this microphone. So a really important part of videos is having good background music. You don't want to just throw on that generic ukulele track to every video because it gets really boring. Like, we've all heard that song so many times. One really good place to find music is Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sounds has songs for cool montages. They have dramatic music. And even just regular background music for videos. The most important, so make sure you stay till number 1. It's really affordable. There's other websites that have copyright royalty-free music, but Epidemic Sounds is like $15 a month if you're starting a YouTube channel, which is insane because they have so many different options. So for most of my videos, that's where I go to get music. Another important thing with background music is making sure that the levels are correct. So if the background music is too loud, that's one of the most off-putting things to a video ever. Like, that will make someone click out so fast because they just can't hear you. And one thing that you can do that a lot of people actually don't know is if you hit Option K twice, you can keyframe the audio. So you can have the audio gradually get quieter, because sometimes you'll have points where your audio is louder, so you always need to match it. You really can't just lay down the track and be like, that's good, because there's gonna be points where it just doesn't sound right. Another really important part of your videos is the lighting. So if your lighting is bad, it's just not gonna look good. The easiest thing you can do is just film your video by a window. So windows will give you that really nice natural light. If you wanna get into some studio lighting though, I recommend getting cool toned lights. So that's gonna be like 5600 Kelvin and above. And my favorite kind of lights are softboxes or ring lights. Softboxes, what I'm using now, are just really soft and they make you look better, honestly. Same thing with ring lights. It'll get this kind of glow in your eye that people really like. Another thing to do that'll make your videos look better is to add a practical light. So like this little lamp behind here, for example, that's a practical light. I love using neon signs as practical lights. I just think that they look really cool and they glow and kind of cast a nice wash of color. Next, don't just stay in your room making videos. Switch up your location, go somewhere, and get some cool footage for your video. So even if you're just a vlogger and just using a camera like this, it's still more interesting if you go to different locations, set up your camera somewhere, get static shots, get some B-roll, just get some cool footage in different locations. Also, when you get outside and get really cool footage, it will make you way more excited to edit. So the last thing is actually just to cut out more of your video. So many videos could benefit by just being like 2 minutes shorter and just taking out those little pauses like this where you're just not really getting to the point of the video. So when you are actually editing the video, just look for those little things and cut them out. It only takes like 10 minutes to do. So I'm gonna do that now for this video. All right, so that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below which tip you liked the best from this video and are actually gonna use. Also, check out my vlog channel. I've been vlogging on there way more recently and I actually think that they're really good. And yeah, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.